In the heart of northeast India, nestled amidst the fertile Brahmaputra Valley, lies Assam, a land of vibrant culture, rich traditions, and a deep-rooted history that spans centuries. It was here that the Ahom Kingdom, one of the most enduring and influential dynasties in Indian history, flourished for 6 centuries, leaving an indelible mark on the region. The Ahoms, originally hailing from Mong in present-day Myanmar, embarked on a historic and arduous journey across the Pat Mishmi Hills in the early 13th century, driven by a vision of a new homeland. Leading this intrepid expedition was Sukaphaa, a prince endowed with vision, courage, and a deep sense of purpose. He would go on to lay the foundation of a kingdom that would shape the destiny of Assam for generations to come, influencing its culture, politics, and society. Sukaphaa's arrival in 1228 marked a significant turning point in Assamese history, heralding a new era of development in cultural amalgamation. The Brahmaputra Valley, then inhabited by various indigenous tribes, presented both challenges and opportunities for the new settlers. Sukaphaa, however, was not just a conqueror seeking territory, he was a visionary leader with a broader perspective. He envisioned establishing a new homeland for his people, one that would respect and integrate the existing communities, fostering a sense of unity and cooperation. This approach, a stark departure from the often brutal conquests of the era, would become the bedrock of Ahom rule, ensuring its longevity and leaving an indelible mark on Assamese society. The initial years were a period of exploration and consolidation as Sukaphaa and his followers moved across the valley, establishing their presence and forging alliances with local tribes. They understood that the key to success lay not in subjugation but in cooperation, mutual respect, and shared goals. This realization led to a unique model of state formation, one based on mutual respect, shared power, and cultural exchange, which was revolutionary for its time. The Ahoms, while maintaining their distinct identity, embraced the local customs and traditions, gradually weaving themselves into the social fabric of Assam, creating a harmonious blend of cultures. This inclusive approach proved immensely successful, leading to a prosperous and stable society. The Ahoms, through a combination of diplomacy, strategic alliances, and cultural integration, forged a powerful kingdom that would withstand the test of time and external threats. Their reign witnessed not only political stability, but also a flourishing of art, architecture, and literature, enriching the cultural landscape of Assam and leaving a lasting legacy. The story of the Ahom Kingdom is not just about military conquests. It is a testament to the power of assimilation, cultural synthesis, and visionary leadership that transcended mere territorial ambitions. Sukaphaa, the founder of the Ahom Kingdom, was no ordinary ruler. His legacy is etched in the annals of history as a visionary who laid the foundation of a great kingdom. His vision and leadership were instrumental in shaping the destiny of Assam for centuries, transforming it into a land of prosperity and cultural richness. Unlike many conquerors who imposed their culture and systems on the conquered, Sukaphaa chose a different path, one that emphasized assimilation and integration. He believed in the power of unity and mutual respect. He understood that the strength of his kingdom would lie in the unity of its people, regardless of their ethnic backgrounds. This inclusive approach was revolutionary for its time. Upon his arrival in Assam, Sukaphaa embarked on a two-pronged strategy, consolidating his power and establishing harmonious relations with the local tribes. This dual approach ensured both stability and growth. He recognized the strategic importance of the Brahmaputra River and strategically established his capital, Charaideo, on its banks. This location was pivotal for both defense and trade. This strategic location not only provided natural defense, but also controlled vital trade routes, laying the foundation for economic prosperity. The kingdom flourished under his astute leadership. Sukaphaa, however, knew that military might alone could not guarantee long-term stability. He sought a deeper, more enduring form of strength. He realized that the true strength of his kingdom lay in the loyalty and support of its people, including the indigenous tribes. Their allegiance was crucial for the kingdom's unity. Sukaphaa initiated policies encouraging intermarriage between the Ahoms and the local communities. These marriages were more than alliances, they were bonds of unity. This fostered a sense of unity and belonging, breaking down social barriers and creating a more integrated society. The kingdom became a melting pot of cultures. He also adopted local customs and traditions, incorporating them into the Ahom way of life. This mutual exchange enriched both cultures. This cultural exchange flowed both ways, with the Ahoms introducing their own unique traditions and practices to the region. The blend of cultures was harmonious and enriching. This fusion of cultures created a vibrant and dynamic society, enriching the cultural tapestry of Assam. Festivals and traditions became more colorful and diverse. Sukaphaa's reign, spanning over 3 decades, laid the groundwork for the Ahom Kingdom's remarkable longevity and prosperity. His policies ensured a stable and thriving kingdom. His inclusive policies, strategic acumen, and emphasis on cultural exchange transformed a fledgling kingdom into a regional powerhouse. His vision was far-reaching and impactful. He's remembered not just as a conqueror, but as a unifier, a visionary leader who understood that true strength lies in diversity and unity. His leadership was both wise and compassionate. His legacy continued to inspire generations of Ahom rulers, shaping the kingdom's destiny for centuries to come. The principles he established endured through the ages. Following Sukaphaa's death in 1268, the Ahom Kingdom continued its steady expansion under a succession of capable and visionary rulers. Each ruler played a crucial role in consolidating the kingdom's power, extending its territories, and further integrating the indigenous communities, ensuring a cohesive and unified realm. The early Ahom rulers faced the daunting task of consolidating Sukaphaa's legacy while navigating the complex and often treacherous political landscape of the region. They faced challenges from rival kingdoms and internal power struggles, but they met each obstacle with resilience, strategic acumen, and a deep commitment to their people's welfare. One such ruler was Suhungmung, who ascended the throne in 1497, marking a significant period in Ahom history. He is credited with introducing the Paik system, a unique form of socio-political organization that further strengthened the Ahom administration and its government. Under this system, the adult male population was registered and organized into groups called Paiks, who were essential to the kingdom's functioning. These Paiks served the state in various capacities, including military service, public works, and agricultural labor, contributing to the kingdom's infrastructure and defense. The Paik system not only ensured a readily available workforce for the kingdom, but also fostered a sense of collective responsibility and participation in governance, which was crucial for the kingdom's stability. It became a cornerstone of the Ahom administration, contributing significantly to the kingdom's stability, efficiency, and longevity. Another notable ruler was Pratap Singha, who ruled from 1603 to 1641, a period marked by significant military and administrative achievements. He is credited with repelling the first major Mughal invasion of Assam in 1615, a pivotal moment in Ahom history. This victory not only secured the kingdom's western borders, but also established the Ahoms as a formidable force in the region, enhancing their reputation and influence. Pratap Singha also undertook significant administrative reforms, further centralizing the government and strengthening the kingdom's military capabilities. He recognized the importance of a strong military force to protect the kingdom's growing territories and counter external threats, ensuring the kingdom's security. The early Ahom rulers, through a combination of military prowess, administrative reforms, and inclusive policies, transformed the kingdom into a major power in northeast India, laying a strong foundation for future generations. They successfully integrated various tribal groups into the Ahom fold, creating a pluralistic and robust society that thrived on diversity and mutual respect. Their reign witnessed not only territorial expansion, but also significant cultural and economic development, fostering a vibrant and prosperous society. The foundation laid by these early rulers would enable the Ahom Kingdom to reach its zenith in the centuries that followed, leaving a lasting legacy in the annals of history. The Ahom Kingdom's enduring success can be attributed not only to its military prowess, but also to its unique approach toward cultural integration and assimilation. Unlike many empires that imposed their culture on conquered populations, The Ahoms actively encouraged the assimilation of local traditions, languages and beliefs. This approach fostered a sense of unity and belonging among the diverse communities residing within the kingdom's borders. The Ahoms, originally followers of their own indigenous faith, gradually embraced Hinduism, with many rulers adopting Hindu names and patronizing Hindu religious institutions. However, this conversion was not forced upon the populace. The Ahoms respected the religious freedom of their subjects, allowing indigenous beliefs and practices to coexist alongside Hinduism. This religious tolerance contributed significantly to the harmonious coexistence of various communities within the kingdom. Intermarriage between the Ahoms and local communities was another key factor in fostering cultural integration. Ahom kings often married princesses from powerful indigenous tribes, solidifying alliances and promoting cultural exchange. These unions not only strengthened political ties, but also facilitated the fusion of traditions, customs and languages. Over time, this intermingling of cultures created a distinct Assamese identity, a rich tapestry woven from the diverse threads of its constituent communities. The Ahom language, initially the language of the court and administration, gradually assimilated words and phrases from local languages. This linguistic fusion gave rise to a rich and evolving language that reflected the cultural dynamism of the kingdom. The Ahom approach to cultural integration stands as a testament to the power of inclusivity and mutual respect in building a strong and enduring polity. It is this legacy of cultural synthesis that continues to define the vibrant and diverse cultural landscape of modern Assam.